Hey team, I've got a nice simple video for you today on how to change your Oticon Prowax MiniFit Wax filters in 4 easy steps. Take the rubber dome on the end of your hearing aid in one hand and then the hearing aid receiver, which is this hard component, in your other hand, and then gently pull. Be careful not to squeeze the rubber dome on tightly when you're doing this, as you can make it more difficult to remove. I tend to find it easier to pinch it on the side like this and then give it a pull. You'll notice that the white filter on the end now is exposed just here. This here is the wax filter that we're going to be changing today. And this is something that I would recommend that you do roughly once every 4 to 6 weeks. Put your hearing aid down for a second and then let's prepare the filter. This is your packet of replacement wax filters, of which there are 6 in total. Pull one of these tools from the grey base. Take a close look at them and you'll see a U-bend with 2 ends, one with your replacement just here, and the other is an anchor to remove your old, dirty wax filter. Take the receiver of your hearing aid in one hand and the filter tool in the other, and then I want you to push the empty end into the existing filter until you feel a gentle click. You only need to give it a gentle push and then pull it out. There's absolutely no reason to twist it. There's just a simple push and pull motion needed to remove the old one. Next, spin the tool around and push the replacement filter in the end of the receiver that you've already removed the old filter from. Again, this doesn't require a great degree of force, so you can be gentle, otherwise you can distort the shape of the filter and it may not stay in place. Once this is done, pick up the rubber dome and reattach it to the end of your hearing aid, giving it a little push to make sure that it's on properly. Please share any other tips that you might have in the comments beneath this video, and if you found it helpful, press like and subscribe for more helpful content like this by clicking this circle in the center here.